Ladies and gentlemen, the trophy presentation for the Chairman's Trophy will now commence.
各位馬迷大家好，本年度主席錦標嘅冠軍已經順利誕生，係由金鑽貴人勇奪呢項2級賽嘅殊榮㗎。Congratulations to Lucky Sweynesse winning the Chairman's Trophy。而家我哋有請香港賽馬會主席廖長江先生將主席錦標嘅主杯以及獎杯頒發俾我哋勝出頭馬金鑽貴人嘅馬主鄭明亮、鄭裕彤、鄭美美與鄭裕偉㗎。咁我哋嘅主杯呢，就係由鄭裕偉先生代表接受㗎。Our chairman, the Honourable Martin Lau, has just presented the main trophy and now presenting the miniature to winning owner Cheng Ming Leung, Cheng Yutong, Cheng Mei Mei and Cheng Yu Wei of winning horse Lucky Sweynesse. And Mr. Cheng Yutong is receiving the miniature trophy. Let's hold for a photo looking at the front. 好，繼續我哋有請主席咧，就將小型獎杯咧頒俾我哋勝出馬匹嘅練馬師文家良先生嘅。Our club's chairman is also presenting the miniature to winning trainer Manfred Mann。最後我哋有請主席就將小型獎杯頒俾我哋勝出馬匹嘅騎師梁家俊。And lastly, our chairman is presenting the miniature to winning jockey Derek Leung. Congratulations! 恭喜晒！我哋有請咁多位咧留一留步㗎，一齊影張大合照。Gonna ask our guests and all our winning connections to remain on stage for a group photo, looking right at the front at all our media friends. 望望前方所有嘅傳媒朋友同埋我哋現場嘅各位馬迷㗎。Congratulations once again！ 再次恭喜晒金鑽貴人！而嚟到呢度，我哋主席錦標嘅頒獎儀式已經係圓滿結束啦。富衛保險冠軍賽馬日將會咧喺4月26號舉行，大家千祈唔好錯過。我哋一齊見證3項1級賽嘅世界級人馬對決。Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the presentation. FWD Champions Day will take place at Sha Tin Racecourse on April 26th. See you then.
好，再一次恭